Well, this is Chinmay from Maketo Clinic. Welcome back to my channel. I always keep on, saying that perfection is very much important. Today we are going to do something out of the box, out of the way, because we have no choice. I'm working on the old bike, right? So some of the spares which I received, which are from the company side, of course, not perfect. So I have to make it. If you sit inside the box, then you can't do it. Of course, then you have to do something. In India, what we call is like jugaad. Jugaad means what? That you have to use some alternative. But that jugaad has to be so perfect that in maintenance it should not create any problem. So let's just check out the video. I hope you like this information. So guys, in the picture you can see the hole which is supposed to match with the dowel guide pin, which is not. So it is undersized, and the dowel guide pin is having oversized hole or the bigger hole. So I am unable to fix up the gasket. So due to that, crankcase is on halt. Unable to find the new gasket, since as I said that new gaskets may come up with the same dimension. So I thought of like cutting this under the laser, since I have no choice at all. So this is anyways a risk, because even after cutting the hole, if other holes are not matching, then I am in trouble. So this is my trial, you can say, but if it works, then nothing like it. So right now I just did marking on the MDF first, the stock hole, and then I'm going to cut according to the dowel pin diameter. Of course, you need to understand the vernier is important in this case. You have to check the hole size and the dowel pin size, which can which you can make the program according to that dimensions, and you can cut the packing. So this is how I have made the change in the gasket, in the packing. As you can see, it's very sharp cut. As you can see that the hole I have matched with the marking, the existing hole, and then the bigger diameter. So let's try this. So this is just one hole, but even after this, if other holes are not matching, that means we will have to work on something else. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you understood the problem, why I went out of the way. You understood, because I got the original packing from the company, and it was not correct. It was absolutely incorrect. So I was unable to work on the packing, so I couldn't fix up the engine. I tried hunting the new packing as well, but unfortunately the whole kit is available. Then I was having dicey mind with, if the same packing comes in the packing, the whole kit, then again I'll be in trouble. So I was not sure about it. So I thought of like cutting this under the laser and making it more perfect. Thanks for watching this channel. I hope you like the channel. Like it, subscribe it, share it always, so you will have a lot of more information about it. Of course, don't forget to ring the bell. Then you can enjoy all the new uploads immediately. For donation, you can send me. You can. Of course, I'm going to post up the QR code after the video. You can send me through via email. You can. There are there are videos on which I have already posted my email ID and all the details. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.